Middle.
Reloading.
Oh my god, dude. Fucking my dick.
Oh my god. Raynham should be lit, I think.
Yeah, heal.
10.
One enemy remaining.
Good shit, guys.
Reloading.
I take those.
Reloading.
Frenzy's is not my thing.
Because you can aim, I can't aim.
What? That's not true.
That's how we do it.
Yeah,
Like,
right.
you say your aim is bad, but when I watch you aim, it feels more consistent than my aim.
No.
Do you know that? Every time I watch you, like, when I spectate, I'm like, he just hits some shots. And then I'm over here, like, I mean, of course, there's, like, times when we all whiff.
Yeah, I'm getting more consistent. I think the problem is that, like, as players, we see it every time that we whiff, so it feels like a lot. But we probably whiff about as much as everyone else. They're droning this. Can you shoot it? Can you shoot the drone? Can you shoot the drone?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, God.
Jet's in.
Dude, how many times do I have to ask somebody to shoot a drone for me? We're playing high diamond right now. You can't shoot a fucking drone? Like,
No, because they think about themselves and they say, I don't want to get tagged by
definitely
them, so I
going
hide
in
from
here.
them. And that's what we're talking about baiting earlier.
we have a smoke on B.
Cover going out.
A weird smoke on B.
Predicted.
3v3.
They're coming back to A.
The hunt begins.
On it.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Satchel out.
Look at this dude.
I don't know if that was the play Raze.
Spike planted. Your duty is not over.
It's
Yeah, wait on the ulti, wait on the ulti, wait on the ulti.
Last player standing.
Why? Also, how's that Sova tap firing at me while my Sage is alive? Double smoked on B.
Okay. You should run.
Watch them run.
Maybe that was not the move.
I like how Omen's ultimate's like kind of shitty, so using it on Killjoy's ulti to like dodge it is not that terrible of a feeling, you know?
You got heal, Sage?
Might go for my weapon heaven. Gosh, dude, I so whiff on that guy.
Silence.
One enemy remaining.
Oh no, it's
So
not.
bad.
Last player standing.
Dude, that guy lined up with me.
That was bad.
Don't miss that. Can I get a drop? Thanks.
Don't worry, guys. Daddy Omen's got you.
Jet's like out.
What 80?
Sova's B main.
What is that recon?
Blinding.
Dude,
Shadows.
the guy's sitting top cat holding the.
How does that?
Last player
I
standing.
just. How come, like, even in Radiant lobbies when Tens does it, it's like a 5-man blind everyone's GG's. Right when I do it, there's a Reyna holding the angle.
I'm gonna come play A with you.
That sounds fine.
Are you crying?
I will
Huh?
rip the
Are you
light
crying?
from them.
Oh no, I'm just laughing because I'm telling a story.
Spike down A.
You're nuts, bro.
One enemy remaining.
Bruh. No way.
Flawless. For you.
Dude, they were like, we pre-fired that. We pre-fired that. Oh my god.
Removed. Shadows traveling.
Nowhere to run!
Watch them.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, I do get detained here. This is awkward.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. I can blind Jen when you're ready. You ready? Blinded Jen? Oh, I blinded you? That's awkward. That was really awkward. Oh, she's there.
Dude, so
Last one might-
usually that blind goes under me, right? But I got hit mid-air with the Bucky, and I got hit punched. So I kind of was just like a dead bird.
Hitting
I
cat.
wanted more. God, I'm gonna ulti B. Ready, go. There's 2 mid.
Soba's on site, careful.
Stairs. Blinding him.
I'm just ulting.
Okay, well I need you to push in too.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
No way.
God damn, I wasn't trying to swing that wide. That fucking turret though.
That was almost genius.
Is unfortunate.
If you went
I
you probably already know, but if you went that way, if you went the other way.
oh yeah, like around the turret. Oh fuck.
Because you know the turret's here, so you went in here and increased the angle,
Yeah, that's true.
he already couldn't see you.
That's true. Dude, I almost like went big. Like I killed the 2 of them, and then I almost killed the Reyna too. That would have been so fucking nasty. Smoking market.
Market.
Shadows traveling.
Oh, so it was also one stairs. There he is. There's the one stairs.
Reyna hit one here.
No more. Spike planted.
Last player standing.
Where's Lucas's Twitch? Twitch.tv/Lucas__magic.
2 underscores so somebody took my name, and I found out who that somebody was. It was myself. So.
Cover going out.
Your duty is not over.
Let go for a
30
second.
seconds
Gotta get on
left.
site. Let's go. Oh, he's close.
You should run. Last player
Our
standing.
teammates were like pretty good on defense, but these guys are like literal bots right now.
Imagine.
You ready to swing this with me, Sage? I'm blinding it.
Blinding.
Nice. Let's go.
Switch.
Good shit.
One market. Soba's market.
I'm going site right now. Good shit, guys.
One enemy remaining.
Let's go.
Let's fucking go.
Guys, I'm doing stuff.
Flawless.
Guys, I did stuff at the end.
Attackers win.
Underneath our boots.
That was big. That was a big play.
Thanks, dude. I was just struggling.
Did you see my 4K?
Yeah, I did. I was telling another story, and then I saw that, and I was like, wait, what did he do? My whole chat. Pug you.